how you can make money through Clickfunnels affiliate program. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can be an affiliate marketer with Clickfunnels and how you can monetize your Clickfunnel marketing program and start earning money from it. So in order to get started, first you have to create an affiliate account with Clickfunnels. So for that, all you have to do is just go to the Clickfunnel affiliate programming page and click on sign up. So as soon as you click on sign up, you will see this interface where you have to enter your details like your first name, your last name, your email address and your phone number. And once you enter all these details, just click on send me the invite. And once you fill in all these details, just click on the affiliate agreement and read through the terms and conditions. And once you read all the terms and conditions of the Clickfunnels and accept the affiliate agreement, and just click on send me the invite. And once Clickfunnels review all your informations, you will become an affiliate marketer with Clickfunnels. Once you are signed up to the affiliate program, you will be given a unique affiliate link that you can use to promote Clickfunnels product. You can promote the product on your website, blogs or through social media. Clickfunnel affiliate marketing is a good way to earn money online, and it can be a great way to earn some extra income if you have a website or blog. It is a relatively easy way to earn money online, and it is very flexible as you can choose which product to promote and which one to not according to your liking. And it is a scalable way to earn money as you can earn more as your traffic increases. And as a passive way of earning money, your affiliate link will continue to earn you money even if you are not actively promoting them. Affiliate marketing can help you reach a larger audience more quickly and easily than any other marketing method. Affiliate marketing in general is very cost effective way to market your product and services. You only pay for results, so you can effectively control your marketing cost. Once your application got approved through Clickfunnels, all you have to do is just choose the product that you want to promote and generate the affiliate link for that, and share that product link with your audience. Share that affiliate link with your audience and earn commission on every sale you made. So this is how simple it is to make money using Clickfunnels as an affiliate marketing tool. I hope you find this video to be informative. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.